In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google form using email or a link. If you've built a form and you're ready for people to respond, sharing it is quick and straightforward. We'll walk through exactly what to click, and I'll give you a few simple tips so your recipients know what to do when they receive it. First, open your Google form. Make sure you're looking at the form you want to share and that any last-minute edits are saved. Once you're set, look to the top bar on the upper right and click Publish. This is the purple button that kicks off the sharing process, and it's where you'll access the options to get your form out to respondents. Next, choose to share using a link. Click the link icon, labeled Copy Form Link, near the top bar on the upper right. This instantly generates a unique link for your form and copies it to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need. The link is the most flexible way to share because it works across different platforms and devices without extra setup. With the link copied, paste the link in an email, chat, or social media and send it to respondents. If you're sharing by email, include a short, clear message above the link that explains what the form is for, why their response matters, and how long it will take. If there's a deadline, mention it. You can also thank people in advance and let them know you'll share results or next steps later, if that's relevant. This context helps increase response rates and reduces back-and-forth questions. When pasting the link in a chat or on social media, add a brief line of instruction so people know it's safe and intentional. For example, you can note that it's a Google form and that their answers will go directly to you. If you're sharing in a group space, consider pinning or highlighting the message so it doesn't get lost. A quick reminder: the link you copy is what your respondents will click. Keep it exactly as it is to ensure it works correctly. If you need to send the form again later, use the same link so all responses land in one place. That's it. Open your Google form, click the purple Publish button, use the link icon to copy form link, and paste that link into an email, chat, or social post to reach your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting.